The sky is within reach, the world in full view. From beginner to enthusiast, the distance is as close as one drone.
From components to whole machine assembly to the global market's broad stage. What makes these enterprises drones and smart toys keep winning trust? Follow our lens to see today. Shantou Globalwin Intelligent Technology Co., Limited was founded in 2014. We mainly focus on R&D, design and manufacturing of drones and smart toys. We've maintained the leading edge in aviation science education, drone study tour, low-altitude aerial photography, and smart toys. Upholding win-win cooperation with global partners, our company has independent brands like Global Drone. Our products sell well in Europe, America, Australia, Asia, Africa, and beyond.
Which regions do our products mainly target? Have we partnered with any well-known companies?
Our products are mainly sold to major global markets: Europe, America, Australia, Asia, and Africa. We have in-depth, long-term partnerships with domestic and foreign chains like Walmart, Aldi, and Best Buy.
Many similar suppliers exist. What is our core competitiveness?
As a 14-year-old source manufacturer of drones and smart toys in Shantou, strong R&D and customization, private mode development, product structure function customization to build customer differentiation, stable quality and certifications, strict checks from raw materials to delivery, products pass CE, FCC, RoHS, CEUs, FAA. Sufficient capacity and fast delivery, enhanced factory supports, stable large order delivery, and flexible one-stop services. Wide scenarios and full line covers youth, science aerial photography, low-altitude economy, smart entertainment meets diverse needs.
What about cross-border e-commerce as challenges and potential for global expansion?
For us, cross-border e-commerce is both an express lane and a new classroom. It helps brands like Global Drone reach global consumers directly, especially for promoting innovative products like youth, drones, and smart toys. Challenge: varying product compliance and certification requirements across countries. Our 2014-plus global market experience helps address this. We've built a mature international business system, and we have stable partnerships with many overseas partners. We'll continue upholding win-win cooperation, promote smart products globally via online-offline coordination,